Sarah
Braille.
kamu.
I want to play. I say Braille.
Sarah cinci-cinci kamu dra.
Hey, do you know why?
Hi. Hari aja pe malalle re New York ni. So kids are happy and excited.
English. Bingo bot. Bingo bot is a bad word. Bingo, 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 bubble, bingo, bingo. Fluffy. Bingo. Let's just be in the gym.
Are you guys going to the gym?
Yeah. Can you fix it? Can you fix it, Baba?
Wanna play patty cake?
Maintenant, tu m'excuses, mais l'heure est venue pour moi de développer ces tortues.
Patty.
Je ne crois pas.
Patty cake, patty cake, patty cake.
Veuillez accepter ceci en témoignage de ma gratitude. Gyoza à la pizza. Ah, trop bien. Merci, monsieur Murakami. Je vous en prie, messieurs les tortues. Attendez, comment avez-vous su? J'ai d'autres sens que la vue. Au toucher, l'odeur.
C'est vrai que c'est super
Almost
bon.
done with the book. Still not done yet.
Look, they're behind us.
Je vous explique. On perce 2 trous dans une coquille d'œuf. On souffle dedans pour en évacuer le contenu. On attend que l'intérieur soit sec. On le remplit de poudre flash et on rebouche les trous à la cire. Tout ça, c'est du blabla scientifique. Lançons une autre. Ce que j'essaie de vous dire, c'est que cette coquille doit être taillée. Alors,
I want this.
I'm sure this is like a mini beach.
Yeah. Là?
Give me that stick first. Look, there's no one that come. Give me it. No. Let's climb on top of the rock. Stand it. Azabema! I think I know the way down. I already know how to climb this up. I've been climbing this weeks and years. Hurry up! Let's go! Climb! Papa,
Là?
can we explore 10 new places that we didn't been?
Yeah.
But really, 3 for 4 for Atapema, 3 for me, 2 for Tutu, and 1 for you. Okay?
Okay.
we gotta be What do you want his name to be?
Why not Timmy?
Yeah, do
No,
that.
my name's gonna be Tommy. Why? Yeah, Timmy's gonna
I
be
thought you said it would be struggling.
No, no, no.
Okay, guys, you gotta be gentle, remember?
Bring
Okay,
this at my
sorry.
house.
Roger.
Let me see. 또
Roger.
Come from me.
강지 하우스 가지고 뭐뭐 하우스 키 말해.
You guys, you can use the light.
Thank you.
Can you go?